Peace be with you. If you're still following me, there's a good chance that you have stumbled into a particular set of questions as I have done in the past. Who am I? Surely there is more to life than this. What is the meaning of life? Where do I go when I die? Am I enough? If I had done that one thing differently, where would I be now? And so on. The list goes on. For some, these questions come and go. For others, however, it inspires a quest, a mission to find answers, to find out the truth. Perhaps that quest has led you to my channel. If it has, I will ask you a question that sets myself, or that set myself on a particular path to the means to find those answers. Who is the one asking the questions here? If I were to ask you that, you might say, as I did, well, it's me. And you label your name. On the face of it, it's a valid answer. For all your life, those around you have pointed at you, this person, this humanity, expressing a meaning in your life. With the word of your name usually comes at the beginning of a long list of answers to such questions as, who am I? Who are you? Who is the one asking all the questions here? And the list can go on and on. With that, you can say, my name is fill in the blank. I am an American. I am human. I'm a father, a husband, a brother, a son, grandson, a grandfather. I do charity work, and I'm a YouTube spiritual guide. I'm a Christian, etc. However, we need to become untangled from all these labels and roles in life. They pretty much complicate many of us, and they fill us with many emotional memories and senses of self we are proud of, love, hate, or sometimes indeed are ashamed of. So let me ask you this. Are you aware that you are your name? Well, yes, of course you are. Are you aware that of your nationality? Well, yes, of course you are. Are you aware that you are someone's child, or perhaps someone's parent? Of course you are. Are you aware of the label of your career just now in life? Well, yes, of course you are. So if you're sitting here wondering what is the point of this question, the point is that if you know who your name is, your nationality, your relationship labels, your academic or career labels, then who is the who that is aware of those labels? Who is that? If you are aware of all these roles and labels in life that have been placed upon you, then who is the awareness that is aware of them? Wait, though, you say, so suppose you're successful in your career, you love being a father, a mother, son, doctor, whatever career path you're in. That's great, that's wonderful. I also love being a father, a son, a husband, working for charity. What I don't love, however, is the suffering of forgetting I am more. The battle for peace and joy arises in me when I get lost in the roles of distant from the space of which I am aware of. I don't love losing track of the intelligence, the spirit that's beating my heart, playing a role in how well I parent my children, or how I am building my career. To this point, you see, it is not to say goodbye to self, for we are one with self, and we just need to learn how to navigate through this journey that we have here on earth. But what I would like to pose is that we let the self, in all its ways, stop letting it drive you from one problem to another, one worry to another. Instead, let the spirit drive for a while. Give the self a break. It has earned it, and you need it. So let's continue on with your body is not your enemy. Your body is a gift from God and a tool for your salvation. God did not and does not create anyone to be lost. He doesn't create some to be saved and some to be damned or destroyed. That would not be a loving God. If that was the God of my faith, I would not be a Christian. Rather, he created everyone out of love to be saved, but we need to accept him. Suffering and evil are not his will, nor is it his intentions, but he will bless it if that pain or suffering can be used for our salvation or for the salvation of others. If you take your body away, you are no longer human. Your body plays an important part of your salvation. So don't be ashamed of your body or what the self does. However, repent, but ashamed, no. You look at our bodies, we should look at our bodies the same way as Christ looks at us. Accept your body. Discipline the body. Be one with your body. Christ himself fasted. He kept vigil. Christ so valued our bodies, knows the importance of our bodies as our creator, that he too, the creator, became creation. So be one with your body. Lead your body together, the body and soul, to salvation. All the love. God bless.